given x equal to a into cos t plus t sin t, y equal to a into sin t minus t cos t. Find length of the subtangent, length of the subnormal. So first calculate the slope m. So this is the parametric equations. So calculate dx by dt, dy by dt. After that one we calculate dy by dx, dy by dx. dx by dt a into derivative of cos t minus sin t, t into sin t. So apply uv formula, u dash v plus v dash u, u dash v plus v dash u. So a into minus sin t, derivative of x value 1. Similarly, derivative of t value 1. 1 into sin t plus derivative of sin t cos t into t plus sin t minus sin t cancel. So dx by dt equal to a t cos t, a t cos t. Similarly calculate dy by dt, dy by dt a into derivative of sin t cos t minus apply uv formula, uv formula t dash cos x minus cos t dash into t, u dash v plus v dash u. So a into cos t, derivative of x value 1. So similarly derivative of t value 1. Cos t, derivative of cos t minus sin t into t, this t, derivative of t value 1. 1 into cos t, derivative of cos t minus sin t, multiply with this minus, a into cos t minus cos t minus into minus plus t into sin t plus cos t minus cos t cancel. So dy by dt equal to a into t into sin t. By using these two, calculate dy by dx. Therefore, m equal to dy by dx equal to dy by dt by dx by dt. dy by dt value at sin t. dx by dt value at cos t. at cancel. So sin t by cos t tan t. So m value, slope m equal to tan t. m equal to tan t. Next, calculate subtangent and subnormal. M into y, length of the subtangent, y by m. Y is nothing but this value, m value tan theta. So a into sin t minus t into cos t by m value tan t. 1 by tan t equal to cot t. So modulus of a into sin t minus t cos t. 1 by tan t becomes to cot t. This is a length of the subtangent, y by m. Y, this one, m value tan theta. 1 by tan theta equal to cot theta. Next, second one is a length of the subnormal. Length of the subnormal equal to y into m. Y value is this one, a into sin t minus t cos t. m value is a tan t. This is a length of the subnormal. This is a length of the subtangent. Next, second Roman. This is the third Roman. Page number 175. LAQ, second one. Previous one is the third one. Previous one is third one. Next, second one. Given x equal to a into t plus sin t, y equal to a into 1 minus cos t, a into t plus sin t. Y value a into 1 minus cos t. He asked a length of the tangent, length of the normal, subtangent and subnormal. So given parametric equations, point is also same. P point, P xy equal to a into t plus sin t, y value a into t minus cos t. Point is also same. So first calculate dy by dx. Parametric equations ఇస్తే పాయింట్ కూడా సేమ్ అవుతుంది. సో ఫస్ట్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ dx by dt a into derivative of 1, derivative of sin t equal to cos t, derivative of t value 1, dy by dt a into derivative of 1 0, derivative of cos t minus sin t, minus into minus plus, so dy by dx equal to dy by dt by dx by dt a into sin t a into 1 plus cos t. Simplify this one. Sin a formula 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2. 1 plus cos a formula 2 cos square a by 2. 2 cancel. Cos t by 2 square cancel. So sin by cos equal to tan t by 2. This is a slope of the slope m. Next calculate length of the tangent. Given y value a into 1 minus cos t a into 2 sin square t by 2. This y value 2 sin square t by 2. Length of tangent y into under root 1 plus 1 by m square. Y is nothing but this one 2a sin square t by 2 1 plus 1 by m square tan square t by 2 1 by tan square cot square 2a sin square t by 2 1 plus cot square t by 2. We know that 1 plus cot square theta equal to cosecant square theta. So 2a sin square t by 2 under root cosecant square t by 2 square root cancel. So 2a sin square t by 2 cosecant means 1 by cos 1 by sin t by 2 sin t by 2 sin t by 2 cancel. So final answer is 2a sin t by 2. This is a length of the tangent. Second one, length of the normal y into under root 1 plus m square. Y value is this one 2a sin square t by 2 1 plus tan square m value tan t by 2 1 plus tan square theta secant square theta 2a sin square t by 2 into secant square t by 2 root 2 square cancel 2a sin square t by 2 into secant t by 2. Next, length of subtangent y by m. Y value is this one, 2a sine square t by 2 by tan t by 2, 1 by tan cot, 1 by tan cot. So 2a sine square t by 2 cot t by 2, 2a sine square t by 2 cos t by 2 by sin t by 2. Sin t by 2, sin t by 2 cancel. A into 2 sin a by 2 cos a by 2, sin a formula, sin a, that is a length of the subtangent. Last one, length of the subnormal, length of the subnormal, y into m. Y means 2a sine square t by 2, m value tan t by 2, tan t by 2. These two are important problems.